to GetFit Quick Snacks with Blanch. Today we're going to be making the blueberry parfait. Let's get started. We will need these following ingredients: blueberries, plain yogurt, and granola cereal. 3/4 cup of plain yogurt. We're going to do it in layers. Start off with the yogurt. Put the blueberries in. Granola cereal. And this is layering. So you just put in the yogurt, blueberries, the granola cereal. The last layer of yogurt. Up with the blueberries. And we will definitely cover it with as much cereal this time as you can. It's going to taste great. And there you go, the blueberry parfait. This is 134 calories. And also, our Dip It bonus is this yogurt with the green apples. Makes for a delicious snack. Also, 90 calories. Alright you guys, see you later.